Investigator Blair Carrington.
Lieutenant Jessica Dabrowski.
Jesse, right.
We're putting you on homicide. A young man was murdered at home by an unknown perp. The only witness, his girlfriend.
Easy money. I'll get this done as soon as possible.
Easy money?
Classic homicide.
I don't know how you do things in Paleville, but while you're here, you're under my jurisdiction.
With respect, Lieutenant, this isn't my first rodeo. The longer we wait, the less likely we are to put him behind bars.
Officer,
Yes, ma'am?
will you get him?
I will do everything in my power to bring him to justice.
Do you see the man who murdered your boyfriend?